All right, we're walking down to the Lower Cascade Falls at Hanging Rock. You can see we're up, we got a little altitude there. Maybe you can see the mountains over there, Blue Ridge Parkway area. Fighter jet going over. And they must have got some rain here yesterday. Ground's wet. Nice little walkway down, about 100 yards through the woods, and about the same down the steps here. And you might can hear the waterfall already from here. This is a pretty good one. This is one of the best ones around that I've seen. Nice little comfortable walk through the trees. Not too hot in the shade. Oh yeah, it's a good steep one here. There you can see the waterfall a little bit. It ought to be going good with all the rain we've had. Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing fine, doing fine. Beautiful day.
Come on.
All right, had a little traffic there. We're on again. Alright, we're just about here. Busy place today. One of the nice waterfalls around Hanging Rock. It's really pretty up here. I think it's about 3 or 4 feet deep over in the hole, so it's a good little swimming place. A lot of people come here to play. It's nice and cool right here under this hill. There you go. Huh? You're not going to fall. You're going to walk through. There you go.
No, because Mommy and Daddy